Pick out all necessary items for easy assembly. Insert the base strut into the base. Put the screws through the square holes. And fit the flat washers, lug washers, and nuts in turn. Use a wrench to loosely tighten the screws, leaving room for the later parts assembly. Take out the handrail and attach it to the left side armrest. Use an Allen wrench to secure one small screw in place. Repeat the above steps for the other armrest. Attach the right seat armrest to both handrails with a small screw. Insert the seat and armrest assembly into the base strut. Complete screw installation. Place the knee support bar in the center of the two base struts and assemble it with the screws. Fix the knee pad screw through the flat washer and the knee support bar with a nut and wrench. Attach the plastic cap to the screw. Make sure all parts are properly assembled, with all fasteners in place.